Monarch Gates and Automation is an extension of Formative Engineering Private Limited. Formative is a 24 years old company which has established its name in the world of wrought iron gate components across the globe. Now, we have come a step forward, and in a short span, Monarch Gates and Automation also proved its mettle as a pioneer in fabrication of high-end gates. We also provide end-to-end solutions in automation of sliding gates, swing gates, shutter motors, and boom barriers. Our vision is to be named to reckon within the industry by creating a significant presence in fabrication of gates. With our state-of-the-art fabrication facility, which is spread across an area of more than 1 lakh square feet, we offer latest designs of gates in the combination of aluminium, stainless steel, and wrought iron classical styles. The company's fabrication plant operates from Ludhiana and provides its services to clients across the nation. We offer our services for residential, commercial, and industrial sectors. We also offer turnkey solutions for housing projects. For entrance, we offer boom barriers with RFID readers, option of automatic sliding gates, cantilever gates, and swing gate for villas, automatic parking shutters for parking area. We also offer railings, staircases, and balconies in similar designs. We are equipped with the latest and advanced technology. We have all types of welding machines for fabrication, profile bending machines, heavy presses, CNC turning and drilling machines. All these facilities enables us to meet the quality expectations of our customers. With ample space, we can do various big projects simultaneously at our unit. Various patterns and designs are available as per customers' requirements, and every gate is made for providing a smooth, effortless, and hassle-free performance. This is possible because while making gates, we always follow international standards, which make our gates sturdy and long-lasting. Due care is also taken the packaging and transit of final products, which ensures that our high-quality products reach safely for the installation at the designated place. We have also created a niche in the automation industry, partnering with leading companies of the world. Our partner company is Allmatic SRL of Italy. We are the sole distributor of this company in India. Allmatic is a well-known name in Europe and has presence in 40 countries, including us in India. We offer automation for sliding gates, swing gates, shutters, and boom barriers. In modern world, it has become a necessity for an outdoor gate to be operated through an automation system, as it is easy and also gives a sense of security. We offer many options to choose, such as remote operation, RFID operation, or you can also manage automation through your mobile phones. For gate locks, we are branch dealer of Flockinox of Belgium. In the field of reliable locks, Flockinox is one of the best companies in the world. We offer manual locks and mechanical outdoor closers of Flockinox with 3 years warranty. Its advanced locks and hardware for gates follows international standards of safety, which makes them highly reliable. All products of these companies are world-class. They use same European standards for all the products and are ideal for every type of application. External and internal doors are designed for tough everyday operations, extremely sturdy, resistant to impact, and are corrosion protected. We have an exclusive studio for display of our products and for discussion with our clients, so that we can serve them better in every way possible. Clients can choose the color, material, and texture to customize their orders. Our expert technicians install the gates with 100% precision and are available round the clock for any technical support. We have successfully installed more than 300 gates across the nation. We have proved our mettle in fabrication of gates industry, and we regularly participate in exhibitions and trade fairs to showcase our products to the larger audience. We are ready to serve across the nation with our exclusive products and services. For further inquiries, please visit our website www.monarchautogate.com.